In this video tutorial, I want to show you how to use the language setup options within your PremiumPress theme. So let's begin. To access this page, we log into the admin area of our WordPress website, and under Theme Setup, we click Language Setup. Here you'll notice we have two tabs. We have Text Translations and Language Files. Text translations allow you to quickly search and replace any of the existing language file text with your own text. You should refer to this option as a quick way to change text on your website. The language file option allows you to download the core language file and make modifications on your local computer, and then re-upload and use those language file changes later on. We also have on the right hand side here a live text editor, which works in correspondence with this text search tool here, so that you can edit text on your website live when you're viewing your website. So as you can see, I've turned it on. I click Save Changes. And when I go to my website, you can see some of the text elements have an icon, a little search icon next to the text. If we click on that search icon, a new box will pop up, and we can then change the text to anything we like. If we change this to testing, click OK. Now when I refresh my page, you'll notice the text has changed to the newly inputted text. Now there is another way that we recommend with our new framework options, and that's using a plugin called Loco Translate. To install this plugin, you simply click on the plugins option under the theme setup, and under popular WordPress plugins, you click and install Loco Translate. It's a free plugin, and basically what it does is allows you to use your own language files and make modifications to all of the text on your website. Once you've installed the plugin, on the left hand side you'll notice a new option available called Loco Translate. If we click on Manage Translations, here we can see all of the available themes and plugins that you've currently installed on your website. Now what we're interested in is this responsive business theme, because this is the theme that we've installed on our website. And from here we can click on Add New to create a new language file should we wish to translate our website into a different language, or we can edit the existing language file we have. So in this case, I'll go ahead and click on the US one, which is the one we've just created. Now here you can see, obviously in the source text, we have all of the text we have displayed on our website. And by clicking on any one of these and entering an English translation, we can go ahead and start changing the language for our entire website. The benefit of using this plugin is that we can then save the changes and export our language file so that we can use again later on. So let me give you an example how this could work. If we go to our website and locate some text, say for example we want to change this home element within the breadcrumbs on our homepage of our website. So we go back to the Loco Translate, and on the right hand side where it says Filter Translations, let's just type in the word home. You can see that it's searched through our language file within the theme and found two source texts that match this word. We have home as a single word, or home as a phrase within a sentence. So what we're going to be using and translating is this single word for home. Now we're going to enter in our translation. So for this example, we're just going to type in testing. Testing 1, 2, 3. Now we simply click on save. And when I go back to my website and give it a refresh, you can see the text has changed from home to testing 1, 2, 3. Again, the benefit of using this option is it's very quick and easy to use. You can search through or simply click on any and all of the text elements. You can click on the one by one and go ahead and translate that. And then you can use the file options and the setting options to export this file and import into another website, another PremiumPress website that you may have. Because we use the same language file for all of our themes, this makes it very quick and very useful. Because if you use any of our other themes, it saves you a lot of time having to retranslate the files at a later date. Now we know how to use this plugin, let's go back to the language setup options within the PremiumPress theme to see what else is available. On the right hand side under this live text editor, we have another one called Geo User Languages. And what this will do is try to match the language that the user is viewing your website in with any of the language files you have available. So for example, if you create different translations or you upload your own language file in different languages, the website will try to find a language file to match. So for example, if the user is viewing your website in China and you have uploaded a Chinese language file, then the website will display in Chinese. If you are viewing in Spain and you have a Spanish language file, it will try to display to the user a Spanish version of your website. You can also use third-party plugins such as WordPress Translate and another popular one which is WordPress ML, which is a multi-language plugin, so that you can create your own language files and modify all of the text and content on your website.